Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another live stream today. And as everyone is starting to tune in, like I say, for those who are watching the replay, I recommend you skip 1 or 2 minutes ahead because in the meantime, I'm going to share the link to our Discord group. And if you aren't in our Discord group, which is all about stocks, or it could even be off topic, not always about stocks. If you guys would love to join that group, I have a link in it, always in the description of all my videos. So if you guys would like to join, it's always there, and I'd welcome you all to join. It's a great place with like-minded individuals who are interested in trading stocks. So, yeah, I'm going to get my link and post it in the Discord chat. Give me 1 second for that. Alright, live. And welcome, Farvid Films. Welcome, Jacob Lucas. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to share the link to the Discord group. And we're going to go live. Bam, bam, bam. It's right there. Alright. Okay, we're good. So, okay, we're going to start in like 3 seconds now. In the meantime, put some stocks you guys would be interested in looking at in the chat box so we can actually see them. That'd be nice. SPY, good one. I'm actually pretty interested in seeing what's up with SPY also. Jacob Lucas. Welcome, Davian Barton. Welcome. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be starting momentarily. Alright, so okay, we're good. 5 people watching, fantastic. So let's get ahead and start. So starting off, let's just go broad with SPY, like Jacob Lucas said right here, and then we'll move on to Davian stock ELY. So looking at ticker symbol SPY, we can see that it's on an uptrend, obviously, as we can see. It's been trending up for a while already, and it just keeps bouncing on this resistance line, support line right here, this red line that I drew. It's sort of a trend line, and it's semi-bouncing on this blue SMA line right here. This time it didn't bounce over here, and right now it didn't really bounce. So I kind of drew this line in right here, this support line, where it's bouncing, and right now it's usually the spot where it trends up for a while, like it did here, trends up for a while, trends up for a while, trends up for a while. And I see that either this week or next week, it's probably going to make a little dip back down, and that's where we can enter a position in TQQQ or SPY and swing it for a nice 5 to 15% profit margin on this stock. So that's pretty nice. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to dim the lights. All right. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the quick little go away. I'm looking also at the RSI on SPY. It looks like it's pretty overbought. Like it always is around the area where it just trends up for a while after the bounce. Sorry, just putting my earbuds on. All right, there you go. So yeah, it's pretty overbought on the RSI. So it's definitely looking to make its way back down soon. I don't know when, but it's gonna be soon. Probably within this week or next week. A resistance that I'd be watching for later on though is probably after the next dip, right around 292, where it was like the all-time high of SPY right here. So I would just be weary of that and checking if the stock might want to bounce back down after it. We just gotta play whichever direction it goes into. So ELY, let's check that out. Davian, if I'm saying your name correct, I'm sorry if I say it wrong. All right, ELY, let's see. ELY. All right, so ELY right here. This is Callaway Golf. Oh, I remember I wanted to trade this stock before. Yo, Casper, we need to make money next week. We need you to make money. Okay, yeah, obviously. Yeah, I'm holding that drip over the weekend, and it's looking like it's pretty good. Gush is overbought. Drip is oversold, and I may have to cut my losses. I may not, and we just gotta see tomorrow. So Callaway Golf, steady uptrend. Oh, never mind. Something happened here, but it's been on a steady uptrend since like 2010. Right now I had a little dip, like the overall stock market. Nothing too huge to be afraid of. But actually, just looking at this, we can kind of see a pattern forming right here. where there's a support line. Wait, not a resistance, my bad. Just a trend line right here. I'm gonna draw. This is like the support of the stock currently. Looking at it, it usually bounces off this line that we can draw right here, and the resistance is gonna be right around this line, like this, like this. And we can see that the stock price actually went over the little SMA line right here. So there isn't really big resistance with the SMA line currently that we see. So the only thing I would wait for is probably what's gonna happen is it's gonna bounce back down on the SMA line or the EMA line. We'll see. It's gonna bounce back down a little bit and then probably trend up until it hits this resistance. I'm gonna write this stock down. It looks like a pretty good stock and it's pretty affordable, and I might actually trade it on my Robinhood account this following week. So give me 1 second to do that. Meantime, drop any other stocks you guys want me to go over, and I'll be right on them. All right, so ELY, Callaway Golf. Okay, so Davian, you're holding till 17. I think it does have the potential. I mean, it may consolidate around the $17 area, but I think it definitely has the potential to hit $18. So it's completely up to you. You can take your profits whenever you'd like. But just in my perspective, I see that it might have a short-term bounce a little bit, and then make its way back up to $18. Which from, let's say, if it bounces back to 16, that's 16 to $18, $2. That's around 10% profit margin, a little more. Especially we can see it on the RSI because it's pretty overbought right here. What's the next stock you guys want me to go over? Do you guys have any recommendations, or should I just go on to one of the stocks that I am looking at? Actually, let's just look at Crocs. Let's see if I love this stock. I don't know why. It's just really nice pattern. Oh man, maybe forming head and shoulders right here, kind of like shoulder, head, and then shoulder right here, but kind of long term. Come on, load. Yeah. So it might be forming like a head and shoulders, like a really distorted one. And it may go back down to like 1650. But otherwise, Crocs still not in the best buy range for us right now. Just consolidating, slightly going up, but still just consolidating. Yeah. Let's go. Davian, is that L or I? I'm pretty sure that's I. Ioma. Can you confirm, Davian, is that Ioma? Not Iloma. Ioma. Like this? Nope, it's probably Liom. Loma. My bad. Loma. Loma. Alright, that's right. So, looking at... Is it Loma Negra? Loma Negra? Corp. Let's see. This is a relatively new company. Oh, okay. It came out 2018 or 2017, late 2017. It did start off consolidating a while and then dipped down pretty hard. What I see from this is a sort of pattern that did form, but it kind of broke it right now, which is, it's okay. It broke it right here. As you can see, it kept bouncing off this line right here, support line, and right now it just fell below. But maybe just it could just be a false breakout, and I think it still may be a false breakout because the RSI is relatively low, and it may have the potential to just bounce back up to around $13. For a swing, that'd be a pretty nice swing trade. I'd just be a little careful with this one because it kind of did break up below the support, so it could go in either direction. So just be wary of that. Yeah, and it could definitely, if it does bounce, it'll bounce to at least $13, I think. All right, Riot. Let's check out Riot. Riot. Thank you, Mr. I don't know how to say that, but BLK Devil. Okay. Let's see. Riot, right here, a bit of a penny stock, I think, right? Okay, what happened here? A bunch of stock splits? Probably so. Yeah. So this one has had a quite rush of volume lately. And on the R side, it's a bit overbought. I think it still may bounce off this EMA line at least one more time. Let's see what it looks like. Alright. So what may be forming, this is not yet a pattern, but I kind of see that this might form. Right here would be like the support. Oops, let's just make it like this. Come on. There you go. So this might be like the support for this stock. It may just go up like where it is around now, consolidate a while, and then bounce back down support and go back up. So that may be good like a swing to place. But right now, I wouldn't say it's either a buy or a sell right now. If you want a short term buy, possibly could swing back up to like $5. But it still has potential to fall back down to like this new forming support line, or even lower, like $1.50. So I'd be careful about that one. Let's go next one. Jacob Lucas, MBEV looks like it could bounce off the SMA. And Bev, what the heck? MBEV. There you go. Okay. And Bev. There you go. Oh my gosh, come on, just go. Yeah. So probably you're looking at the daily SMA. Yeah. It's down after hours, and on Friday it was down. Okay, so this was like the overall resistance on the stock. It was bouncing around $7. It went down from there. But right now, maybe it could bounce. You're right. It could bounce off the SMA line because it's been using it as a support here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then started using it as a resistance. 1, 2, and then now it's starting to use a support. And who knows? It could fall below or go above. But looking at the RSI, it looks like it has a potential to bounce back up. Just looking at it overall, because yeah, it's pretty oversold, and I think it could bounce from where it is right now to around $7 for sure. It did fall quite a big amount. Yeah, it could bounce. I don't see anything else though. We kind of drew these support and resistance lines right here, but they're kind of irrelevant right now. Let me just take them out. 1 second. All right, yeah. So either a small bounce back up to this SMA line on 30-minute chart, or it could have like a major bounce back up to around $70. But we just have to wait and see on this one. But if it does bounce on the SMA line, it'd be some pretty nice profit margins right here. What software is that you're using to analyze stocks? I'm using Street Smart Edge by Charles Schwab. It's a pretty good platform to analyze stocks. Okay, so quickly, I just want to go over what is this? Aurora Cannabis. I can't say this like I say before. I don't know how to pronounce this. Aurora Cannabis, whatever. ACB, you know what I'm saying. Aurora Cannabis. Just sounds weird in your mouth, like your dog. Aurora, rah, rah, you know? Oh, so the pattern did end up prevailing. I think we were analyzing the stock like a few weeks ago, and it bounced off this support line that we drew right here at right around $4.80, and now it's making its way back up to $11. So looking at this stock, all right, so it just went from support to resistance pretty quickly, back down to support, resistance, and right now it's like right around the resistance, close to the resistance area. I think it's gonna probably swing back up to the $10.50 area at least, probably before it makes its way back down to the support. But yeah, if you guys want to swing that sounds good. But right now, this is what I see with this support and resistance wise. Maybe let's try something. Gotta experiment. That could be support forming on the stock, possibly, where it bounces on this. Yeah, possibly. Yeah. So we'll just wait for the bounce and see what happens, basically. Okay, what's the next stock you guys want me to go over? CCJ, was that correct? CCJ. All right, CCJ. Man, so off the SMA line, it's been bouncing like crazy. Bounce. And right now, it could bounce. Possibly. I'm gonna write this one down. CCJ. It could bounce definitely off the SMA line like it did previously. RSI looking pretty nice, and yeah, I would even buy right now, because I would risk it because I see this pattern forming very often. I'd risk it and then hold it for like 12:30 and sell it. So that'd be nice. Okay, that's 40 cents, 70-cent profit, almost 10% profit, like 7-8% profit. So that's pretty nice on that one. Yeah, looks pretty good. So right when it hits the SMA line, you said it was a good buy. Same thing here. I think so too. Any other stocks you guys want me to go over? Let's check out QCOM. It's like QCOM, 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 QCOM. All right, there you go. Still trending up like crazy. Only sign of resistance is this SMA line, and RSI is pretty overbought. May have a little bit of a dip down, but then keep trending up. Looks good to me. I mean, solid company and solid pattern. Yeah. Any stocks you guys want me to go over? Anything? No? Yes? Maybe? Oh, I got this old sheet of paper with all these stocks we went over, like the first stock talk I had on this channel. Avenue Trading. Okay, let's check out WTW. 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 Give me 1 second. I just want to check something. All right, 9 people watching. Wow, thank you all for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. WTW. Let's see. Weight Watchers Corporation. No, in something. Weight Watchers. Yeah. So let's see. I can't really see if there's like a support. I mean, this wouldn't be support right here. SMA line doesn't really validate anything. I would say this one's trending down like crazy. So I'd be aware of this stock. I still see it has potential to keep dropping until it has a solid reversal. So I'd watch this one really carefully because it usually like it dips down a lot, consolidates a while, dips down a lot, consolidates a while, dips down a lot, and now it's consolidating for a while. And I wouldn't enter this stock. This is my personal opinion, like I always say, my opinion. You guys don't have to trade based on my thoughts. And please don't make your own style of trading that fits you best. But yeah, I would definitely not buy this one. Oh yeah, puts. Yeah, this one would be a good one to put a put on. Actually, yeah, it's a little bit overbought compared to where it usually is. So yeah, I think a put would be nice on this one. Okay, let's see. Welcome Shirley Lewis. Okay, WWE. David Isaac. WWE. That was a loud whistle, wasn't it? It probably burned your ears, didn't it? Okay, so WWE, bam, has these nice swings. I forgot to trade this one. I was going to trade this one this week. $85. It bounced, bam, and now it's making its way to the resistance. Bounced over the SMA line. I think it could just have a little bounce down. Maybe back down to support. I might actually buy the stock. Let me write this down. WWE. Okay. And I think it has potential to keep falling with this pattern. I mean, following this pattern. There you go. Sorry. And it could hit like $95 to $100 even if it bounces from here. That's around a 10% profit margin, which is pretty nice. Yeah, that's what I see with WWE. Man, surely that's a lot of stocks, right? Let's check out Amazon. Let's go in order. AMZN. And don't worry, everyone, I'll get to your stocks. I'm just going in order. I admire your consistency. Plus, you're so young. Alright, thank you so much, Avenue Trading. I really appreciate like these kind words. It's kind of hard to stay motivated, especially when I messed up pretty often with stocks. I mean, with options. So it does mean a lot when someone actually sees that putting in a great amount of effort into trading, and so is everyone else here. Trading is not the easiest thing in the world. Definitely once you have the hang of it though, then it does come pretty nicely and smoothly. Okay, so Amazon, bam, it broke our pattern that we drew right here. That's what I thought it was gonna do. Solid company. Why would it just stay down? Now on the R side, it's pretty overbought. That's the only thing I would be aware of and careful of. But it is bouncing just a bit, kind of like off the EMA line. Sometimes using it as a resistance, sometimes it's support. But overall, it's trending upwards, which is pretty nice. The only thing I'd be aware of is the RSI indicator right here. All right, then we go XOP. XOP. Let's check out XOP. XOP. All right, give me a second. All right, we're recording. Yeah, we're good. Just checking if I didn't go off on accident. So XOP. Let's see right here. yeah, options was. I mean, options have the potential to make your account go up to like, I mean, grow by like 1,000% every week, or has the potential to grow your account by negative 100% in 1 week. So, yeah, I'm sticking to what I'm good at right now. Everyone has their own style of trading. Maybe once I get really consistent with swing trading, make some nice profits, I may take like 5% and experiment more with options and try to master them. But right now, swing trading's working out pretty dang fine, and I like the profits on that. And it's more safe, but still has huge profit margins. Okay, so let's see. XOP. This is similar to Gush, and I bought Drip, which is the inverse. Right now, our size is completely overbought. Um, on its way, it's right at the tip of the resistance right here, and I see this one falling back down at least to maybe around the area. Let's see really quick. The area of, come on, draw. There you go. Area of around $30.20, something there at least. Yeah, so that's a pretty good thing if you want to short it. I'll show you guys the Gush, which is basically the same thing, almost like the same pattern almost. As you can see, I'm basically shorting Gush down until probably like 1050 area, the 1050 area on this. So it looks pretty nice for puts. PayPal, let's go over PayPal. PayPal. All right, so in the chat, let me know if you guys trade options, put O or just write options. And if you trade like swing trade, put S or swing. And if you guys day trade, put D or day. If you guys are swing day trading, I want to see like out of the people watching, who is like the majority I should be speaking to, like day traders, swing traders, or options traders. I know David Isaac is an options trader because he likes that, and I think he's pretty good at it. All right, let's OSD. All of them. Anyone else? Options, yeah. How are those going, David? Options, swing, swing, yeah. All right, so mostly swing, but some options still. Whatever makes me money, yeah, yeah, sounds good. So whatever makes you money, basically. How are options going, David? Good, bad? Are you still paper trading? I think you, or are you trading with an actual account now? Pretty good, pretty good. Sounds good. All right. Just be careful. I'm warning you. Be careful. I believe that you have the potential to actually like master them options, but I'm just saying ahead of my place, just be careful cuz you know how badly they screwed me over. Yeah, paper trading sounds good. Yeah. I would say paper trade until you master, and then you can go on to real money. So looking at PayPal right now on our side, it's pretty overbought. I would say it's similar to SPY. It'd be a good time to buy at the dips of PayPal. Like right here would be the dip, right here would be the dip, and you could swing it from, all right, let's say 103 to 105 or 106. That's $3, $2 to $3 profit margin. It's pretty nice. Let's see. NIO, Jacob Lucas, NIO. Let's check this out. I was looking at this and it kind of was trying to reverse, but looking at the SMA line still, I mean, at least 30-minute SMA line, it's been kind of keeping it down. Literally every time it touches it fell. Right now it's losing a little bit of volume, I see right here. But we just gotta watch this one and see which direction it goes. I mean, I thought this was the support of it, but it definitely broke below. And now it's like in no man's land where it could go in either direction. The only thing I would look at, maybe, let's try 5-minute charts. But this is like really short term stance. Yeah, no, I don't even see much here to look at. I could draw support here, but yeah, just be careful with this one. It's technically almost like a penny stock right now, so I'd be careful with that one right now. Yeah. NBL. Oh, by the way, for all those watching, rate my daily uploads from 1 to 10. And if it's lower than a 10, tell me what I can do to make them more exciting. I feel like the same thing day in, day out. about my videos, just saying, "Hey there, everybody! It's Casper Trader. Just updating you guys on my portfolio. Look, I made 2% this day. I opened a free stock. I made money on drip. I lost money on gush. Whatever. Like, okay, sounds good, David. But what can I, for all those who think it's like, okay, what do you guys think I can do to make them more exciting and more enjoyable? I would say, my YouTube videos. But don't wait for the awkward silence. Yeah. Better than Ricky? No way. Ricky's a beast. But I really appreciate the compliment. I bet that most people here watch Ricky. Ricky's a pretty cool guy, humble guy. I like him for that. Extremely humble, and yeah, he's just pretty good. Yeah, he does talk a lot. That's true. Clay Trader, man. You know what? Story time, really quick. You know what? Story time. So let's get a WW board out right now. I don't know if I should. What the heck? Okay, AWW board. That's what I meant. Um, quick story time right here. Not that. My bad. Clay Trader, right? You guys all know Clay Trader. I mean, most of you probably heard of him. So, Clay Trader here. When I was first starting out my YouTube channel, like I had like 10, 15 subs, right? I was using some strategies, just commenting on other people's videos. Some valuable stuff like, oh, you had a really nice video. I really like this part and this part. I really learned a lot. You inspired me. Blah 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 blah. That kind of stuff. Well, he goes out of his way and he's like, dude, you didn't watch my video. I'm like, I mean, I didn't want to argue with him, and I'm like, I don't remember what it was the exact conversation because this was like 3 months ago. But so he goes like, "You didn't watch my whole video. I can tell." And then I'm like, "Okay, but does that change that I still gave you a compliment in the comments section?" And then he got into an argument with me. I didn't want to argue, so I just kept trying to say that it was a compliment and stuff. I don't remember. Should I pull it up? I don't remember even the conversation. I don't even know if I can find it. But it was one of his videos. So he was like, I commented something about it. I don't know how he can check if I watched the video or not. But yeah, so I commented on it. Something nice. And then he's like, "Oh, you didn't watch the video. Why are you commenting?" I'm like, "Chillax. I just wanted to compliment you and stuff." And he got really mad at me. And it was like a string of like 7 replies. And yeah, I don't know. He got really salty at me for saying something nice about his channel. And I don't know. This has been a pretty funny conversation to me. Ever since when I look back at that. So yeah, Clay Trader, you're a cool guy, but I don't know. I don't remember what video was it. It was a while back, like a while. Should I try finding it right now? Do you guys want me to spend like 5 minutes to find it right now so I can find the conversation? Put yes or no in the chat box. Or do you guys want me to just go back to stocks and be like, Casper, who cares about your life? Let's just go back to stocks. I want you to show me money. Find it. All right, let's go. Let's go. Adventure time. All right, let's go. Clay Trader. Clay Trader. All right, let's go. Let's try to find this video. Uh, he has a ton of subscribers, like 170K, but his videos, I noticed usually they don't get that much. They get like 1,000 or like 500, something like that. All right, let's scroll back down. I think it was like a few months ago. Right, it's probably gonna say that I watched it, so let's look for that red bar. Let me know in the chat box if you see that red bar that you watched part of a video. It wasn't 5 months ago. 5 months ago? Nah. I remember it was one of these talks. Alright, let's scroll up a bit. I don't know if it's still gonna show if I watched it. Oh my gosh, is this gonna really take that long? Wait, can you search like your search history on YouTube? I don't know, whatever. Yeah, definitely not less than 2 or no 2 months ago for sure. I don't see any red bars for you watching something. Dang it. Buddy, I have no idea. Alright, let's check. Let's do a deep search now. Why does everyone make fun of him? He seems like a nice humble guy. Definitely makes some nice money off his channel too. Alright, so crap, am I just really gonna let me just click on some of the videos that I think they might have been. And I think it was one of these. Dang it, I don't know which one it was. I can't find it. But how do I know if I watched it? Is there any way that I can check if I watched this video? Put in the comment section below, or like the chat section. I want to know if I can find it or not. Is there a way I can? Oh my gosh, why am I opening up my mail? Mail. All right. I'm lost. There you go. Switching through tabs is crazy. All right, there you go. Do you know how many notifications I have? I have a crap ton of notifications. Like, if I look 3 days ago, I already got like 20. Yeah. So, can I search my notifications? Probably not. Nope. Yeah, I don't think I can search through my notifications. That's kind of doo-doo. But let me just click through the videos and see. This wasn't that. All right, so it was minimally 2 months ago. So let's go 2 months ago. Right, let's see. Do I have a comment right here? Nope. Nope. All right, let's go. Hope you guys don't mind. I really want to find it because it was actually pretty funny. Let's see. This was a lunch one. Reality check. All right. Nope, no comment here. Let's see if I actually maybe deleted the comment, the whole conversation. Who even knows at this point? All right, let's see. Probably not this one either. Nope. Let's see. Here. Nope. I hope I'm not boring you guys to death. Oh, my email to check my notifications. Welcome, Mr. Garza. All right, let me check my email really quick on my phone and see if I can. Let's see. What's his name? Clay Trader. Let's see. New reply on Clay Trader. Bam, you're right. Good one. Who was that? David Isaac. You deserve a medal. Okay, what was this? Trading the stock market is not fair. That's the name of the video. Let me know if you find it. Trading the stock market is not fair. Trading the stock market is... Oh, bam, right here. Alright, this is no mean to throw shade on Clay Trader. He's a nice guy. I like his videos. Seems like a nice guy. But I think the conversation was pretty funny. Alright, ready to see it, guys? What? Why are they not even loading? What the heck? Maybe deleted it? Who knows? Oh, there it is. We know. That wasn't even it. Alright, so there's another one. Man, I commented on more than one of his videos. I gotta check again. Give me 1 sec. There's another notification I got. Then you guys will give me 1 more second. Clay, Trader, bam. Okay, so that wasn't the one. And it was this one for sure. Oh, I get the impression you didn't watch. Wait, what? What? It says it's the same video. But I don't see it. What the heck? I want to see if I can do it on my phone. No, I can't. Can I get on? Oh, wait, yeah. Let's see. Trading stock market is not fair. What the heck? Where was it? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. I can't find this. What the heck? I feel like he might have deleted this conversation. He probably did. It was this video though. I think. Wait, what did I comment? I commented... Wait, I don't even know what my comment is. Yeah, I think he deleted it. He had to have deleted it. Man, that would have been so funny though. Yeah. So sorry guys to disappoint you. Unless anyone has a last second idea, check your email below. No last ideas. Last ideas right here. Anyone have a last second idea to find this? I mean, all I have it on my email is I get the impression he didn't watch it. I see his comment. I could screenshot that back into the. All right, you know what? Whatever. So I got into this long conversation. Overall, let me just tell you what it was about. Long conversation with him because he's like, I get the impression you didn't even watch the video. And then I'm like, I just want to compliment you. Blah blah. I was just trying to say that I was just trying to be nice, cause I was just trying to be nice, but he didn't like me. So whatever. Humble guy. I like him. I think. I mean, I didn't watch too many of his videos, so yeah. Let's delete that. All right. Let's get back to stocks. Sorry guys to disappoint you by not finding that. But no hate, no shade on Clay Trader. He's a nice guy. I like him. Nice videos. Awesome channel. No hate at all. All right. I just want to get that straight. Okay. So stocks. MU. MU. Hope that was a nice what do you call those? Off-road experience for you all. What the heck? Come on, work. Wait, I'm trying to get off my email on my phone, but it's not working because my phone's being dumb. Okay, whatever. Let's just get back to stocks. MU Energy. Let's check it out. Micron Technology. What did I even say? Oh my gosh, I read MU Entry. Whatever. Yeah. One sec. Dang it, I hate keeping you guys on the hold. There you go. I got my phone fixed up. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. No, never mind. Don't forget I said that. I don't want any hate. Yeah. Forget that. So, MU. Yeah, MU right here. Okay, so MU, let's see if we can find something. Support, resistance. Support maybe right around here. I don't know. I can't really find too much. It's not super steady, but we can kind of find the overall. What was I saying? I was saying MU Energy. Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You can watch the replay later. And actually, no, you don't have to, because then you'll have to scroll through the video and find the exact second I said that. Don't worry about it. Forget I said that. For all those who did hear that. All right, let's see. $45. Right here. It just bounced off the resistance, so I think it may just fall back down to the support right around $40, maybe $41. And then just keep bouncing in between these support and resistance lines for some pretty nice profits. Yeah, it's all good in the place, the good place. Okay, so what's the next stock you guys want me to go over? Let's see. What other stocks you guys want me to check out? Stocks L. Let's check out this one. Oh, we have to still check out UWT and DWT in the out of routine. We got to check out the futures market and see how crude oil is doing. All right, so stocks out nearing resistance right around here, so maybe not the best buy. All right, so if you guys don't mind, I'm gonna take forgot the nice fancy word for it, but something off road, whatever. We're gonna go check out futures in investing.com. I think. Just say crude oil futures. Bam, bam, bam. Shirley Lewis, I'll get to that one very, very soon. How did crude? Oh, crude is green. That means Gush will be green. What the heck? Come on. Do you know overbought? You know what? Look at this. UWT. UWT. Look at UWT. Tell me it's not overbought as crap. Alright, look. Look at the RSI. It's like literally at 73, 74 in the daily. And then in the 30-minute, it's probably like at, oh, never mind. It's around 70. But still, where are you going, crude oil? Where are you going? Do you think you're gonna like hit the moon yet? Wow. So my drip is not gonna be up tomorrow. I mean, right now it's not. So yeah. Let's see, drip. Drip is probably gonna be down now by like 1.5%. It's not too much, so it's not the worst. Man, crude oil is like climbing the charts like crazy. Let's check out SPY. I mean, do you guys want me to go over these futures? Let me know, cause I honestly am kind of interested in myself to see how the futures are going. All right, so SPY is about even. It did tank down a bit, but still looks pretty good. Looks like it's in good shape. Yeah, around the same spot. Any other future you guys want me to check out before we go back to stocks? Any other future you guys want me to check out before we get into regular stocks? Yes, no, maybe, no, yes, no. No? Alright, so we're going to get back into stocks. Let's check out. Let me pull up the chat right here. AUY. Let's check out AUY. AUY. AUY right here. Whoa, what the heck just happened here? Okay. I don't even know. Do you guys see this? What the heck? Whatever. Slightly on an uptrend. I mean, this is the one I kind of see right now. It could be in either direction, but I see this right now as a support. RSI is pretty overbought right now, so maybe looking to dip down soon. But I think it has potential to bounce up to like 270 before it goes back down. Yeah. Other than that, that's it for this one. AUY. Let's go Verizon. Who here uses Verizon? If so, I think you got like the best coverage in America. I think, doesn't Verizon have like, yeah, I'm not a Verizon user, but I heard they have really good stuff. Yeah, let's check out Verizon. Getting a bit thirsty after all this talking. And tired. Okay, so how am I out of breath after talking? What the heck? Anyone heard of that? Okay, so Verizon, okay. So we can kind of see this overall pattern that was going on right around here. It was bouncing around the support area of $53, and it bounces up to like around 60, or in this case around 57, and then it just goes back down to 53. So I think Verizon, I mean on our side, I feel like it could bounce back up to maybe 60, and then it's gonna make its way back down to 53. Yeah. SWN. Man, surely with a lot of stocks. That's awesome. Gotta learn. The more you learn, the more you earn, right? Warren Buffett. Let's see. I hate when there's awkward silence, so I could try to kind of combat it by saying stuff, but yeah, it doesn't always work because my mouth is tired. I mean, like not that way. Like, just forget I said anything. Um Man, okay, let's see. It's near the resistance. It's been kind of like forming like a flag or triangle pattern. It could. I feel like it could bounce back up to this resistance right around 480, and then it's gonna make its way back down to the support right around here, and then we're gonna go on to the next one, INTC. All right, let's check this out. Intel Corporation. All right, Intel right here. Okay, that's sort of the resistance right there. Support like this, and yeah, so it's right around the resistance, and it's looking to make its way back down pretty soon. If we look at the daily chart, the RSI is probably, yeah, a bit overbought on the overbought side, and it's making its way back down to the support right around the area of $53 or $54. Yeah. CNX. Man, today's stock talk was pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Yeah. What am I doing? I was just trying to check if my stream is still live, but now I'm lost. There you go. So many tabs you gotta have open. Wow. Yeah. Well, CNX looks like it's sort of at the resistance right now. This is sort of like the resistance, but it did break above it. Maybe it's gonna bounce up and keep trending up, or maybe just like a false breakout and may make its way back down, like it did previously many times before, right around to the support right around 1025. All right, let's check out TRQ. TRQ. All right, so TRQ right here. Looking at TRQ, I see that it's been trending up a little bit in the short term right here. The R side's looking pretty fine right now. I just see it doesn't have a lot of what do you call it? Oh, volume. Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of volume right now. This is like the support and resistance I can see on this one. It doesn't have a lot of volume though. I'd be careful trading this one because it may be hard getting in and out of the position really quickly. But other than that, it looks like it just bounced off the support, making its way to the resistance right around 175, which looks pretty good to me. Guild. GILD. Let's check out Guild. Alright. Oh, for all those watching right now, I just thought of this. Oh, I just remembered, kind of. So, do you guys want me to make a Q&A, like a live Q&A video? If you do, write yes in the chat, and if you don't, write no. I'd really appreciate if you guys could give me your opinions. I'd like to see if you guys are interested in a Q&A on this channel, or just keep doing these stock talks, and Casper just keep making money trading stocks and don't mess up again. Yes, no? Or is it like, or is that chat dead except for Shirley Lewis, who is extremely active right here? Is no one going to respond? No one's going to respond? No Q&A? Yes Q&A or no Q&A? Put in the chat box below. Yes or no? What do you guys think? Q&A maybe next week or something? Live Q&A? No? Yes? Maybe? Someone respond at least. I mean, I think, okay, there's 7 people watching. 8 people watching, so... Yes, no? Alright. No comments. Okay, so... Let's see. This is on a downtrend pattern. It's right at the resistance right now, making its way back down to support. Probably going to bounce down to $62. Yeah, so these are the support lines and resistance line I found. Our side's pretty overbought, and it's looking to make its way back down soon. Just never be fooled, because it could always break the resistance and kind of create its own new pattern. XLF. Man, that's a lot of talking. Oh my gosh. When was the last live stream? Last week? Dang. Alright, so I'm just not used to talking this much. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Maybe like support here, possibly. Yes, no, maybe, possibly. No, yes, no, yes. Okay. So that's around the support and resistance I can find on this one. Just about the thing that I can find. It's getting close to the 70 mark on the RSI. Definitely, maybe not the best buy right now because it's right at the resistance and it's looking to make its way back down around 25 area. So it'll fall by around maybe $1.25, which is not the worst, but still, why not just buy at the support and sell at the resistance? Again, these are all my opinions, my perspective on the stocks. Not telling you guys you should buy or sell at a certain price point. These are just my perspectives, and I hope you guys can find some value from this. Let's see. Bank of America, right? Yeah. Bank of America right here, looking at it, it looks like it just is trending down a bit right now. This is the resistance on it, support. I feel like this could be similar to Amazon, where Amazon is like trending down a bit, and then it's like fudge this ship, and it just like bounces right above the support. I mean, right above the resistance, and just starts trending up like crazy. So yeah, just be aware. I think this is a solid company, so it's bound to go up anytime soon, at least. So yeah, that's what I just see with this one. Yes, but still in the short term, I feel like it could still bounce down, at least to like $28. Especially because it's just like right at the resistance right now. Yeah. Let's go. MAT. Alright, if you guys are watching this live stream, live, put something in the chat, just except for Shirley. I know Shirley's watching. But anyone else here, just say like sup, yes, no, maybe, Casper, talk louder, or Casper, talk quieter, something. So I know you guys are alive, and I'm not just talking to Shirley. I see there's like at least 5 more people watching, so I hope you guys all have fingers so you guys can type something. So I know you guys are there, and let me know if you guys are there. Yeah. So no one's gonna say anything. Sounds great. So surely, I guess it's just you and me talking. Not in a weird way, but yeah, keep pushing out those stocks if you guys want me to keep analyzing them. Okay, so the SMA line has been acting as SMA line has been acting as a sort of a resistance right here. Every time it keeps bouncing down. Hey, Mr. Garza, let's get it tomorrow, bro. Let's get it. Yeah, let's get it. Yeah, let's go. Tomorrow, let's beast out and hope that crude oil actually falls. Yeah, and oil falls. So it drips up. But whatever you guys are trading, hope that's up green tomorrow. Wish you guys all luck. So SMA line right here, acting as a resistance right here. Used it once, twice, 3 times, and it's at the 4th time right now. It did bounce down a bit, and I feel like it still has the potential to bounce down more. Yeah. APA. APA. Mr. Garza, thanks for commenting something in the chat box. And Shirley, thank you guys so much. So I don't feel like I'm alone. Just kind of weird, you know. Yeah. That's a live stream. What a live stream is for is to engage. Okay, so this can completely vary, but this is what I see right now around the area where it's following right now. Support right here on this line, resistance right here, and it's kind of climbing its way back up. Just be aware of this SMA line, which it may use just to bounce down from. We never know. It could fall down from this SMA line because it has before and previous patterns repeat. But other than that, it may have the capability to hit the resistance right around $43. It would probably be. So that's some pretty nice profits. APA. Okay, so let's go DVN. 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 Okay, that's just enough of my rant. Chant. What the heck is going on with this software? Let's see. Alright, so it spiked down like crazy. Okay, so I'd be just aware of the SMA line right now, which it's nearing really closely. This SMA line, and the RSI is pretty overbought, so it may look to bounce back down pretty soon, which I would be trying to be very aware of. And yeah, so if that's all the stocks, then if anyone's still here watching, this is not me being desperate or anything, not at all. No. I can just mention this in the next video. Do you guys want me to do a live Q&A sometime, maybe next week or in 2 weeks? Yes, no, Q&A, yes, no. put at least like Casper, I don't even know, in the chat box, so I know you guys can answer my question. Oh yeah, Mr. Garza, thank you, so much. So we got one person say yes. That's dope. Shirley, yes. All right, that sounds fantastic. So maybe next week, um, we'll do a little bit of a live Q&A, probably on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. All right, so I'm not gonna go over much more stocks. Shirley, I'm just gonna go over these three that you put out right now: JD, JCPenney, and Glue. Other than that, I think that's gonna be it for today because we've been live for like, let's check really quick. We've been live for around almost an hour already, and yeah, that's been quite a lot of talking. And I don't want you guys to be like, man, Casper, all he does is just talk, talk and talk and talk. I'm just kidding. Yeah, let's just go over these three, and any last questions I can answer, and then we'll be off for today and off to a great week trading stocks. Okay, so JCPenney. No, it's not JCPenney. JDC trading up a lot. Using this SMA line in the 30-minute charts as a support, bounce, bounce. Right now it's a little overbought, but when it makes its way back down to the SMA line, it'll be a good time for it to bounce as well. And you could probably make some, all right, nice cash. Let's say 29.50 to 31.50. That's $2. That's around a nice 7% profit. So yeah, I hope you guys take advantage of that. JCPenney, let's go. This is JCPenney. Man, JCPenney, you doing kind of doo-doo, no offense, buddy. I'm surprised they're still alive. They're gonna be like blockbusters probably, unless they do something to revive their company. Yeah, so SMA line, using it as a resistance. Right now, it is at the SMA line. It's looking to tilt back down, probably maybe to around $1, and maybe 15 cents, $1.10. I see it falling to around that area. Glue, GLUU, GLUU. Glue Mobile, let's check this out. Alright, so it's pretty overbought in the RSI, looking right down here. We may be able to draw sort of a resistance right here, like this, and a support sort of like this, but we can still use the SMA line, which has been kind of like a support. But right now, yeah, it's been trading in between these two lines, support and resistance. Right now it's at the resistance, so maybe not the best buy, but when it falls back down to like $9.20, it'd be a good buy, and then sell it at the resistance right around $11.50. That's a nice $2 profit. That's, wow, that's actually a lot. That's around 25% profit margin. Let me write down Glue. Yeah, it looks like a good stock to me. GLUU. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm just gonna stay like an extra 2 minutes or so. If you guys have any last minute questions, you guys can ask me in the chat box, and if not, then say like, see ya, Casper. So you guys have a great trading day for the rest of your week. Have a great trading time for the rest of your week. Yeah. Any last minute questions? Last second questions? No? Yes? I'm gonna wait for the delay. Great stream. Thank you, Shirley. I really appreciate the compliment. Thanks for being really active in the stream. I really appreciate it. You're one of the people who actually engage a lot on the stream, and I really appreciate you doing that. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, Shirley. Thanks for doing that. Hope you had got some value from this stream. You don't like candlesticks? You probably do like the which charts do you use, Shirley? Do you use the XOXOXOXO charts? Point and figure charts? No? Which charts do you use, Shirley? Point and figure, yeah, point and figure right here. I don't know how to read these. But yeah, it looks kind of complicated to me. Yeah, it's like one of the oldest styles of charts, right? Yeah. All right, so if it works, do it. I'm a strong believer in whatever works, just keep going and keep doing that. Whatever works. Yeah. So, yeah. Any last questions? Last thing. Last questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, or be like Casper, just shut your mouth. I want to go to sleep. End the stream already. Yes, no? Okay. If nothing, then I'm gonna be ending the stream on a good note. Thank you guys all for watching. X means price goes up. Alright, that's cool. That's pretty interesting. And O probably means it's going down. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a fantastic, fantastic rest of your week. Thank you guys all for watching. Cheers. Adios. Alright, so I'm officially ending the stream right now. I said bye too early. So thanks for watching. Just want to check if everything was alright. Thanks everyone for watching, and have a great day. I'm gonna wait here for the next 10 seconds to make the stream 1 minute and 1 hour and 2 minutes, because round numbers look nice. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys all have a fantastic, fantastic rest of your weekend and a great following trading week. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hey, yeah, have a great day. I said that too many times. You know what, guys? I'm gonna peace out, tune out. See you guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Bam. See, use a different word. Yeah. You know what? Just pretend I didn't say anything. Bye. Thanks for watching.